So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel FP Gaming. So guys, today we are going to play Pokemon The Last Fire Red Version Part 5. So guys, in the last video we defeated Brock the gym leader. I can show you. Oh yeah, guys, I can show you. This is Brock the gym leader, and you can see this. And guys, we defeated all the players here. And guys, today we are going to do a today we are going to pass through empty moon. So guys, you are thinking that my video has came a late, so guys, I'm really sorry guys. Guys, my game got crashed and my all data guys it was lost, and guys, I wasn't able to play it. So guys, first I have fixed it. Then guys, I have to restart the game, and I have guys reached here, and guys, you can see my money too. It's 15,300. So guys, let's start our journey. Wait, I have healed my Pokemon. Yeah, guys, I have healed my Pokemon. So guys, let the journey begin. So guys, I am not gonna do a bit exploring, so because I have defeated some players here. And guys, now let's start. I will show you the way. Yeah, I will show you the way where we have to go. Yeah, first off, guys, you could buy repel. I haven't bought it. I forgot. Yeah, guys, I forgot to buy repel. Oh guys, we have encountered a wild Gible. So guys, I think I will not catch it now. Guys, when you will say that I shall catch it, then guys, I am here and I will catch that Pokemon. Yeah guys, I think so. I will not catch it right now. First I shall get some. Yeah. So guys, let's start. Guys, first I will just come out of, then guys, so guys, then in today's video guys, in comments you can tell me that which Pokemon should I keep. Guys, I have told you guys, please guys, you can comment me. So guys, I have told you guys, you can do with Luxio and guys Ralts. Guys, you could tell which one should I catch. Guys, if you say Ralts, so guys, I will catch Gible in my team. If you guys say Luxio, so guys, I am not gonna catch Gible. If you like Gible, yeah, most of the people like, because guys, it's final evolved form. Garchomp is a pseudo legendary Pokemon. So guys, please tell me. I guess I have to battle him. He's not battling with me. Yeah. I need to battle to you. Yep. Guys, it's a water type fight. Yeah, it's a water type fight, and I need to defeat it. So guys, when I will reach to the last, then I think so I will heal my Pokemon, because now I haven't got any potion, anything guys. I haven't got it now. Haven't bought it. So let's see what can we, how far till I reach. And my arc, guys, I have trained my ARG, not that much guys, but I have trained guys my Dartix guys very much low. Guys, my ARG level is very much low, and all Pokemon level is very much low. So guys, yeah guys, in the next video guys, I will level up my Pokemon. Yeah guys, I will level up my Pokemon, and guys, then I will show it to you. And guys, I will do my Pokemon at semi level. Yeah, see, all Pokemon will get semi XP. Yeah. So guys, because my if any Pokemon got less, means it is at less level, so it will. Oh guys, our Rels is it evolving, and guys, our Rels evolved into Killia. So guys, I'm really excited about it. Guys, it's Gardevoir. Guys, guys, it's very much good, but guys, uh, it's Luxray guys also good. It's final evolved form. So guys, I have like both of them. So guys, I am a little bit confused that which Pokemon should I leave. Guys, that's why I'm saying to you, please tell me. Guys, please tell me. You could tell me at my guys comment section. So guys, wait. I think so guys, someone will battle us. Yeah, someone will battle me. I think so. I'm ready for it. Yeah, ready for it. Guys, it has 3 Pokemons. Guys, I'm really confused that what would be if I lost it to him. Yeah, I need to defeat him. And which Pokemon has come? Ponyard. My Spark guys will come only. Oh guys, I'm gonna take out my Killia. I know you could do it. No. So guys, I can't use. Yup. And just guys, it was so much less, and I have defeated its last. Guys, its last Pokemon I have to defeat just only, and it's guys, I am defeated. Shit, guys. So guys, I will meet you at that trainer and we will again battle. Till then guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. So guys, we have reached here and my all Pokemon are healed. Guys, I escaped one trainer, guys, you know also, and so he battled me again, and guys, my Pokemon, you can see. So I am gonna defeat it like this. I know I can defeat him. It's a piece of cake for me. I know Ag, you could do it. Guys, it's the same like guys, it's same. Guys, now what shall I do? Guys, it's unbelievable. Guys, it's unbelievable. So guys, what shall I do? Guys? Guys, what shall I do? Guys, only one thing could help me now. Yup, guys, we have defeated it, and now it's 2 Pokemon are left, and I have to defeat them. Guys, I know my Dartrix could do it, but I am gonna take out Luxio because Luxio will get EXP too. Guys, my Luxio is same, just 1 level less than. Guys, it's no. Guys, it's just 1 level. My Luxio is down from our Dartrix. So guys, he has told us to choose 2 Pokemon, 2 fossils. So it's the Dome fossil and it's the Helix fossil. So guys, which shall I take? I think so guys, I'm gonna take Dome fossil. Yeah, Dome fossil is better, I think so. So guys, let's go. And guys, we have finally reached out of empty moon. So guys, now I think so it's a totem Pokemon. I'm not going there because you know what will happen to me. And there are two people here standing. Oh, these will not fight. Guys, let's talk to them. A kick of ritual for a ferocity packed with destructive power when you get right down to it. Mega Kick is the ultimate attack. Don't you agree? Yeah. Oh guys, my two Pokemon can learn. Oh guys, it's Thunder Punch. So what should I do? Yeah, my tackle. Yeah, I am gonna take out my tackle, and I could. No, guys, I can, and I think so. I could. Yeah, it will teach me. Yep, guys, our Killia can learn Fire Punch, so I'm gonna take out my teleport, and guys, our Killia learn Fire Punch. So guys, it's an item, and we have got Roar. Guys, what is this? Guys, what is this? So guys, today our video has got. Oh guys, by mistaken, guys, we have encountered the it's not legendary, just we have encountered totem Pokemon. Yeah, totem Pokemon. Yeah, and guys, we have defeated it, and we have got a Firarium Z. Guys, I think so I haven't given my Z Crystal to my Pokemon. Yeah, I think so we could give them. I am gonna give Firarium Z to. Guys, I am gonna give Firarium Z to Arg. Because guys, it hasn't got any Z ring. So guys, today video has gotten a lot bigger. So guys, I don't want to get bored of you. So guys, meet you in next video. So guys, तब तक के लिए bye.